Hello viewers, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the morning performance of crude oil. I opened this time frame 5 minute. It's intraday price. Set the time frame 5 minute. Now I show you how our software WinTrader support in commodity trading. As you know that our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, COMEX and forex, and you can use it for intraday trading, scalping, long term and short term trading. As per that, you can change the time frame. And this is a crude oil current market, and you can see the current market rate 9,505. that is a real time market value. And you can see this green up arrow is a buy signal and red one is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generated buy or sell signal, before taking the position you have to check the confirmation of the signal. If the signal is confirmed, then you can take the position. So confirmation means first confirmation. If it is a sell buy signal, first confirmation you have to check here on bottom. It will display here like price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation. If it is buy signal, then price should be in buy zone. And the second confirmation on below this arrow, the green arrow, you can see there is a bar is here, that is a confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. So you have to check only two confirmation. First the arrow will come. After that if it is buy signal, then price should be in buy zone and the below bar should be in green color. If these two parameters are okay, then directly we can take the position. And you can see this white vertical line, that is the daybreak line. So today's market started from here. So morning market was showing that sideway, and you can see normal candle colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, some multi colors will form like orange colors, light blue, empty candle and white candle. So these are the indication of sideway. So morning market, the market was sideway. After that market went up and it gives a buy signal, and we got a buy at 9,443. Whenever software generated signal, the same time the alert message will come. In that alert message you will get the entry point. Same details also you can check it in the above dashboard also. Buy at 9,443 and the time is 11:05 and in today's date. And as per the current market value, current market price is 9,495. As per the current market value, we are in profit of 53 points. And in the status you can see all target has been achieved. So before taking the position, as I told, if it is confirmed, see, we have to check the confirmation. If the confirmation is there, then you will get 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. So if the confirmation are okay, and then we can take the position and below you can see the stop loss will display here, and is a trailing stop loss. We are following trailing stop loss to reduce the risk. And on the right hand side you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. So as per this signal, we got this signal around 11 a.m. and all target has been achieved. Currently the market is slightly showing sideway, and the trend is also showing red color. This is a trend line. This red line is indicating the downtrend of the market, and the green line indicating the uptrend of the market. So slightly market's price is going down, but you can see on below bar you can see price still showing there's a price is still in buy zone and the bar is also green. So the market will again, there is a chance market will again go up. You can see these red stars are here now. That is a resistance level of the market, and on below you can see this blue stars. That stars are the resistance support level. Red stars are the resistance level and the blues are the support level. You can see these red stars, and the price is showing 9,516. that is the current resistance level of crude oil. If 9,506 that price break now, then market again will go up. Currently the market price is 9,503. If it breaks 16 then market again will go up, and the support is 9,488. If it is break this support level, then there is market will go down. So currently I think market again will go up. There is a chance the market again will go up because the price still in buy zone and the bar is also green. So there is a market again there is a chance market again will go up. And if as you know that as you can see all target has been achieved, so again market will go up now. Then software is a re-entry option. Currently the re-entry is showing wait only. If the software is a re-entry now, then a separate entry point will be there, and there is a new target will be there. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. And the same strategy you can follow for all segment like our software. As I told, our software covers all major financial market. like forex, Indian and foreign currencies, commodities, Indian and foreign commodities, and NSE cash future options, currencies, index options, agriculture, all financial market you can see in our software. And this you are watching our running version 8.1, and with this 8.1 version we have a scanner 1.2, and we are charging only one-time payment. All updations are free for customer. We are not charging anything for the updation. This is just one-time payment, and updations are free for customers. Lifetime customer support will be there, and technical support will be there. Normal process is, if you are interested to purchase the software after checking the live demo, you can check the live demo through desktop sharing software, and you can, if you want live demo, then you can see my number is displayed there in the below window. My number is displaying, and my name is Ganga, and you can directly contact me through WhatsApp or call. You can directly, even in Sundays and Saturdays, you can message or call. And after purchasing the software, means after checking the demo, if you are interested to purchase the software, our technical person will install the software in your system within 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you will log into your system through that same desktop sharing software and give a proper training, and how to use the signals, how to follow the signals, how to use that, how to add the symbols, all will be there. Is a small training session will be there. And after that, if there is any doubt, or if you need any, if you need any kind of technical support, you can directly contact us. My number, same number, you can directly contact me. And as I told, we are not charging anything for the updation. We are going to release our new version also. Soon we will release our new version. So that time there is no, you don't need to pay anything for extra. You don't need to pay anything extra. There is just, we are charging only one-time payment. So if you are interested to know more about our software, and if you want to watch a demo in any segment, as you know, as I told now, our software cover all the financial market. You can see forex, CFDs, metals, cryptos, and cryptocurrency is also there, and NSE futures, NSE cash, MCX currency. This currency is Indian currency, and this one is foreign currency. And weekly option index, bank nifty and nifty, weekly option, monthly option, and agri. So our software support all major financial markets. So we are interested to know more about the software, if you want to check live demo of our software, you can directly contact me through that WhatsApp and or direct call. And you can also check our official website, wintradersoft.com. In that there is a reviews pages there. Don't forget to check our reviews page, and if you are interested, then directly you can contact me. And thank you for watching my video.